This PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to reload prepaid phones here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Under Send and Pay right here, go ahead and press on Reload Phones. Once you're on this page right here, it's going to go ahead and send you to this screen right here. So reload a prepaid phone, enter a phone number, choose an amount, etc. So once that is all done, go ahead and press on Agree and Continue. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and type in a number. So you can go ahead and type in your prepaid phone number, the area code that it's in as well. Once that is done, you can press on continue, then type in the amount, and then reload the prepaid phone that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to reload prepaid phones on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.